Okay everyone, today is my birthday, and for my birthday I decided that I wanted to come up to this huge antique mall, and me and Megan, we're gonna walk through it. We're gonna see if we can find anything cool. I'm not here really to buy for resale, but see if there's anything that I might personally want. I don't know, let's see what we can find. Let's go in and get it done. Some really neat cars in here. There's a blue Nassau blue Corvette, and then there's a 1986 convertible. Not exactly like mine, but if it was like mine, I'd have to have it. They got what, 35 bucks on it, or is that 95?
No, that's 95.
95 bucks. That's crazy.
That's cute.
There is a lot of toys here. I like that Darth Maul up there. That is super cool. That is awesome. I love the helmets. I never find them anymore, those helmets of like Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. They're awesome. It's kind of dark over here. It's kind of dark, Megan. I'm a little scared. Who's that pretty lady? Ooh. Wow. She kind of hot. She caliente. That's Mexican for hot. I love this big John Deere combine. That is freaking awesome. It's too cool. Megan's excited. She loves it. Here's a list of all the booths that are marked down. That's cool. Neat idea. Oh, okay, guys. I found one just like my car, except this is a 01. But there's no price on it. That is my luck. Absolutely my luck.
I don't see a tag anywhere that fell off or anything.
Right. I have no idea. That's crazy. Oh well, I guess we'll have to put it back. That sucks.
Take it up front so they can price it.
Yeah, that might be. I don't know. Okay, guys, so my beautiful assistant here found this big blow mold pumpkin. How awesome is that? $11.99. Look how big that thing is. Going home with me. I absolutely love this. It's an old store desk. That's freaking awesome. I love that. That's so cool. That's so neat. This is really cool. These are all Zane Grey books, and they're in the original ship carton, and they've got the original rice paper on them. Those are freaking awesome. 100 bucks for that crate. That's cool. That's really neat. This is too cool. Me and Megan both really like this. This is pretty awesome. I love this. I love that. That's so cool. What is one of the things that I always tell you guys to look for when you're out? Car parts. Car parts. Always look for car parts. Here is a set of taillights that are for 10 bucks in this booth, that is 50% off. They are for a Pontiac GTO, one of the newer ones. They are 10 bucks, and they are half off of that, so they're 5 bucks. And they sell on eBay. OEM ones sell for about 200 bucks. That's a pretty good bargain. Happy birthday to me. I don't know why, but I'm just a sucker for like mysteries, and all of these photographs in here are only $5.99. I'm gonna buy them and just see what's in here. There's some cool stuff, I can tell already. Some older cabinet photos, or what do they call them? Cabinet cards? I'm not sure. So you guys know, let me know down below. But that's pretty cool for 6 bucks. I'm gonna get it. Okay guys, I'm not gonna buy him, but isn't he just absolutely adorable? That is so cute. I like him. He's neat. I'm a sucker for stuffed animals, though. He's 20 bucks. Sit. Stay. Good boy. There are a ton of Hot Wheels here.
Yeah.
They want 100 bucks for the freaking Hummer? That's crazy.
There's your C4.
It is. Ooh,
It's only $1.25.
that's okay. I'm not big into the Hot Wheels scene anymore. Not too bad. I'm gonna look over here at the. 20% off this case. Never was a big fan of cases at antique malls because you can't get into them, and I don't know, people just value their stuff way more when they put it in a case. Old sword, that is cool. Hey, pretty lady. You ain't talking to me, are you, Francis? Oh, okay. Just the voices in my head. Love the train stuff. Oh, scale trains. They're awesome. 666. Bad number. I think that's about it. Ain't really a whole lot more to see. We're gonna go outside and I'll show you what we bought. Okay guys, this is what I've gotten today. We went somewhere else before we came up here. I picked up this Emerson DVD recorder. That's pretty cool. I got this huge pumpkin. We got the lights, and then I did end up getting those photos, and I ended up getting some more hats. They're all these Terminex. I paid 25 cents a piece for them. I got this awesome ukulele for $3 that came from like Hawaii. That's awesome. And then I got these brass ducks for $4 because I like brass ducks. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna go get something to eat. I don't know if we have anything else to do, but I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys had a good time with us at the antique mall. Quick video, just something that we do. My birthday, if you would go down below and wish me a happy birthday. That would mean a lot to me. And hope you guys have a good day. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and remember, the family that picks together
Stays together.
sticks together. God bless you guys.